What if I told you that saving money is actually making you poor? Sounds crazy, right? But here is the truth. Your savings account is paying you maybe 2% interest, while inflation is quietly eating away 3 to 4% of your money every single year. You are losing ground without even knowing it. Today, I am going to show you the exact step-by-step path to stop just saving and start actually building wealth. Warren Buffett, the greatest investor of all time, once said this: "If you do not find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." Most people are taught to save. Put money in a bank. Do not spend it. That is the advice we all grew up with, and it is only half the equation. The missing half is making that money work for you. That is investing, and the gap between savers and investors over 30 years can be the difference between $50,000 and $500,000. So let us close that gap right now, step by step. Step 1, build your safety net first. Before you invest a single dollar, you need an emergency fund. 3 to 6 months of living expenses sitting in a high-yield savings account, not the stock market. Why? Because investing requires patience. If your car breaks down tomorrow and you have no cash buffer, you will panic and sell your investments at the worst possible time. Personal finance expert Dave Ramsey calls this your baby step 1. You protect yourself before you grow yourself. So open a high-yield savings account. Many of them offer 4 to 5% interest right now. Park your emergency fund there. Done. Now you are ready.
Step 2, kill high-interest debt. Credit card debt at 20% interest, that is a guaranteed negative investment. No stock market return can reliably beat 20%. Before investing, pay off any debt above 7% interest. Everything below that you can manage alongside investing. Think of it this way: paying off a 20% debt is a 20% return. That is better than almost anything Wall Street can offer you. Step 3, start investing with tax-advantaged accounts. This is where the magic begins. If your employer offers a 401k with a match, contribute at least enough to get the full match. That is an instant 50 to 100% return on your money. Free money. Do not leave it on the table. Next, open a Roth IRA. In 2025, you can contribute up to $7,000 per year. The money grows completely tax-free. You pay taxes now and never again. Not even when you withdraw at retirement. As Vanguard founder John Bogle once said, "Time is your friend and impulse is your enemy." The sooner you start, even with small amounts, the more time compound interest has to explode your wealth. Step 4, choose simple, low-cost index funds. You do not need to pick stocks. You do not need a fancy financial advisor. You just need one thing: a broad market index fund. Something like the S&P 500 index fund, which tracks the 500 biggest companies in America. Historically, it has returned around 10% per year on average. Warren Buffett himself recommends index funds for most investors. His advice for his own wife's inheritance was this: put 90% in a low-cost S&P 500 index fund. Keep it simple, keep fees low, stay consistent.
Step 5, automate and stay the course. The biggest enemy of investing is your own emotions. Markets go up, markets go down, people panic and sell. Then they miss the recovery. Then they regret it forever. The solution is simple. Automate your contributions. Set a fixed amount, even $50 or $100 a month, to invest automatically. You do not even see it. It just grows. Morgan Housel, author of The Psychology of Money, says it best: "The ability to do nothing is one of the most powerful skills in investing. Boring wins. Consistency wins. Time wins." So here is your step-by-step path. You do not need to be rich to start investing. You just need to start. The best time to invest was 10 years ago. The second best time is right now. If this helped you, drop a like, subscribe for more money videos, and comment below. Where are you on this journey? I would love to know. See you in the next one.